Hello friends, how do you move heavy things in your workshop? Like maybe a workbench, a lathe, a drill press, a milling machine, or even a very bulky heavy CNC router. Some time ago I had this problem, and that's why I built a tool. And this is how it looks like. The tool is made out of 3 parts. This makes it very easy to adjust, so that it can be adapted to the different machines or tables. Just see how it works. You can see how easy it is to move the workbench. The workbench could also be much heavier. That would not be a problem. I'm just showing the principle here. Let's see how it works with the drill press. As you can see, the drill press can also be moved safely without wobbling. The same principle applies to the lathe. Only the CNC router is much bulkier, especially it's wider. But this is no problem, because the tool can be easily expanded. Here you can see what I mean. I'm not really going to move the CNC machine now because alignment is a lot of work, but I can assure you it works great. So whenever you need to move heavy machinery in your shop, maybe a lathe, a drill press, or maybe a big CNC router, then you need this tool. If you like this video, give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.